we will be just seeing upon some fun exercises. So we all know that we prefer some practicals. Now we shall do some practicals. Yeah. So let us start. So first of all, we are going to just open the file and just make a variable naming count is equals to 0. Then I'll use the for loop for line in. This is a variable line, and then line in OPE, that's my variable name for that file. Now line in OPE if now we will be using this conditional statement if line dot means I am starting with some method. Dot starts with is a method because it has dot dot notation. Always dot notation is a method. So yeah, uh, we will be searching upon x the spam. I don't know what is x the spam. I just searched up search inside the the file that I have that is downloaded from the internet. So that is why I don't know what is XS spam. Come on, let us see what we have to do next. Yeah, after that intent, and we'll write print. Sorry, count is equals to count. That variable that we made for count is equals to count plus one. Count plus one, and we will just print count. And do remember that print count will not be in the intent of for and if. Now print count, yeah, print count, we are ready with the first practical code. Yeah, it shows that there are 108 lines starting with x just spam. I'll show you that down.txt. Here it is x just spam, x just spam, and all that. So, do you think we should print this line, print all these line, and don't count them? So, we have to just print that line, but in the upper form. Okay. Okay, then let's do it. That line is equals to line dot upper, line dot upper, upper. Yeah, upper. Now print line. Oh, sorry. Yeah, line dot upper. And now we will just write print line. Print line. Oh, so it was already running. I don't know why did I forget to just minimize it. It was of some else I was just trying before recording. So this was of some other file that I used. So excess spam. These all are that all of 108 lines. So can't you see this extra space between this? Why don't you think that we should remove this extra space? So come on, we know what's the syntax. Of course, it is line dot r strip, line uh, dot r strip, dot r strip. Let us see, will that work or not? Yeah, you can see there is no extra space between that. Now we shall figure out why that extra space comes. Simply because print gives its own new line extra space in that. So we will now see just to lower that. We'll now see how to lower this line. It is just write that lower, and we'll run that. All of them are now lower down. Now because of our ship there is no extra space. Now I'll show you something else as well. We shall make a Python file. Yeah, REPR. That's the name of the syntax that I am going to show you. Now we shall just open. No, don't open anything. We'll just use the variable name. Dux is equals to Dux. Hey, no, yeah, Dux, Dux, a backslash n is a nice guy. Nice guy. Okay, now let us just print it out. Yeah, now let us just print it. It's normal printing like we do of other things. that is Daksh. And now we shall print that, yeah, Daksh is a nice guy. You can see this extra gap. This is because of new line, and if I remove this space, this extra gap between here will also disappear. Now I shall show you something. Don't you think that sometime we will need this uh, that line backslash n as well, so that to confirm that len is working or not. I'm not using len here, but I was giving you an example. Now let us just print repr ducks. Let's see what will happen. See, it just printed out whole string without doing any modification from that. So that is what repr works. Now today's homework would be is to just figure out, just do all these practice that I have shown in this as well as in this, and yeah, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye guys, I hope you all will do good.